How to fix account restricted on Apple Pay. First thing you want to do is verify your identity. Do this by opening the wallet app on your phone and tap Apple Cash Card. Tap verify identity and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and social security number accurately. If you're on iPad, go to settings, wallet and Apple Pay, Apple Cash Card, and follow the same steps. Check your account for review. Sometimes your account may be under review for security reasons or suspected fraud. During this period, you can't send or receive money, but you may have to still be able to spend your balance. Reviews can take up to 2 business days. Wait for a status update in your wallet app. Also, correct any personal information. If identity verification fails, double check your Apple ID details. Go to settings, your name, then go to name, phone numbers, and email, and ensure your information matches your legal documents. Update your date of birth if needed. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Hold the power button and restart your iPhone. If you're still seeing account restricted, contact an Apple Cash specialist at the Green Dot Bank by calling 877-233-8552 or reach out to Apple support directly. Be ready to provide any requested information to verify your identity. Subscribe.